Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Pusheen winter, so let's get started. To draw a cute Pusheen, let's first start by drawing a soft curve for the center of her head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve. From there I'm going to go up and draw her ears. Go up, soften the tip, come down. So same thing on this side. Go up and down. So now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more. And on this side, it's going to go out. So about right here, I'm just going to bring it down a tiny bit and then bring a curve going out this way. From there, let's start to draw the face first so we know where everything goes. So we're going to start with the stripes right here. Just get this out of the way. We're going to draw 3 stripes. One right in the center. And we have the 3 stripes. And let's come about right here in the center. In this area, I'm going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to go straight down the line and then curve it out for her mouth and nose. And same thing here. And then let's come to the side and we're going to draw a circle about right here for her eyes. And I'm going to come in here with a small little circle on this edge and shade everything else in. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so Pusheen is in and we're going to draw her whiskers. So let's come out right here where her eyes are. I'm just going to pop out 2 whiskers. And here as well. Okay, so then now we're going to go and draw her little Santa hat up here before I forget. So I'm just going to draw this white part right here, just a little curve right on top. And then we're going to draw up with a curve towards the center, come right back down. And then of course, this big circle for the poof ball on the top. Okay, now let's see here. Let's bring this down a little bit more. And I'm only stopping there because I need to draw the scarf. If you're using a pencil, definitely finish the body first. So I'll come about right here, bring this out a tiny bit more. And about right here, I'm going to stop and I'm going to draw a curve all the way back to here. So I'm just putting this scarf around Pusheen. And then let's thicken this right here. So let's pop it out. And same thing here, pop it out a tiny bit. And then we're just going to go ahead and follow your curve to connect. There. And then now we can go ahead and continue this all the way down. Then this one goes to the side. And let's start to draw her body right here. So I'm just going to bring this around nice and brown and plump. It's winter. Pusheen has gained a lot of weight. Okay, so about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. It's a nice big round curve. I know, right? It's kind of big, isn't it? It's okay. Much cuter that way. Then let's come right here and we're just going to give Pusheen a tail. Just pop it out, the curve, and bring it right back in. And I'm going to draw the stripes in here. There's 3 of them. So 1 more. And with the stripes up here. And let's see, what else have I forgotten? Okay, so then now we can draw the scarf. Let's finish up the scarf and draw the tails that come out. So about right here, I'm just going to pop out the tail. Connect it. Another layer, so maybe right here, draw another one. And connect it. And then draw the tassels at the end. we can put some stripes in here if you like. So I'm just going to go all the way around. And so notice I'm kind of changing my angle as I go up. And then the bottom part right here. Okay, so in the center right here, I'm going to add a heart to decorate the scarf. And okay, I'll just leave it at 1 heart then. I was thinking maybe I should do 2 hearts. You know what, why not? We'll do 2. There. Okay, so then now for some extra cuteness, we're going to give Pusheen here tiny little boots. So I'll start with the first one about right here. These are so cute. So just a straight line and then a curve. And a curve right there. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. Let's draw another one here. So, well, this one has to be higher, so because we want it to end about the same. There. And let's keep going. So on this side, it's about right here. Just make sure I'm going in the same. There, okay. There, Pusheen's got her boots in. So just draw 4 of these right there. And then, let's see, let's give Pusheen some scenery. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a straight line across. Pop it through, so about right here. And on this side, I'm going to stop because I want to draw a Christmas tree here for Pusheen. So I'll come about right here and just quickly draw a Christmas tree. So just a bunch of zigzags on both sides. And then towards the bottom, we're just going to continue and finish off with some more zigzags. And then you can come in here with some more details to continue. There, and then you can finish your line all the way through. Okay, and then let's add a big star on this tree for Pusheen and add some ornaments. I really hope this drawing inspires you if you love Pusheen to draw it for the holidays, and definitely check out all my Pusheen drawings for winter if you love Pusheen. Okay, so we have that one in. Let's add some more here just to spruce it up. And let's see about right here. So just really quickly. These are like really far off in the background, so it doesn't really matter. So we're just kind of zigzagging all the way down. And if you like, you can even add some snow coming down, so very lightly here and there. You can add as much as you want, but I just want to show you what a difference it makes, right? You just add some of these circles here to make it look extra wintry. And there, we're all done with this Pusheen winter, and I really hope you love this and you have fun, and I made it easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.